Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab S10 Lite, and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So let's begin with opening your settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find the option Device Care. Let's tap. Now we have to go to App Protection and tap on Scan Tablet. And now your device will basically scan itself in order to check the apps for any kind of viruses or malware. And after that, it will show you relevant information, the results. Of course, I hope that everything will be all right in your case, but if not, your device will show you the information about the problems and possible routes, possible operations which you can take in order to get out of the risk. As you can see, in my case, no threats has been detected, so it's nice. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.